Now we are looking at another question. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure you share. We are making this cyclic quadrilateral very simple for you. Yes. And then circle theorem in a whole. We are making it very simple for you. Now, so let's see, how are we going to solve this? Now, looking at this, I can see that we have a center O here. So our DC is the diameter. Then we can remember our diameter rule that when the diameter forms an angle at the circumference of the circle, that angle is 90 degrees. I hope you remember. Yes, go and check our previous video on the property 1. So we have this diameter. This one forms an angle here. So this angle is 90. The angle DAC is 90 degrees, or CAD is 90 degrees. This angle is 90 per our diameter rule. Now, it means that here and here will also give us what? We can add to get the whole of angle A. Now, can you see cyclic quadrilateral? A, B, C, D. They are touching the vertices, the circumference. The vertices are touching the circumference of circle. So since the vertices A, B, C, D are touching circumference of circle, then we can consider this one to be a cyclic quadrilateral, a quadrilateral inside the circle. So it is like this. We have something small, here the diameter. We have something like this, where here is A, B, C, D. Here is the center O. What are you going to say? This one is a quadrilateral. So this angle plus this angle is supposed to give us 180. Here plus here is supposed to give us 180. But what will be here? It will be all of this side. That is 90 plus 30. Then what will be here? This one is BCD. We are looking for BCD. So BCD is the whole of this one. So we can easily say that here plus here is supposed to give us 180 degrees because they are opposite angle. So we have BCD, angle BCD, plus here this angle, which is angle BAD. Angle BAD supposed to give us 180 degrees because they are quadrilateral. So opposite angle add up to 180. So angle BCD, BAD is 90 plus 30. Here is 90, here is 30. So 90 plus 30. So we can easily get our answer for BCD. So here will give us 120 degrees. BCD will give us 180. So it is very simple, very simple. So let's subtract our angle BCD is equal to 60 degrees. Very simple. Please make sure you comment for me to see how you understand this particular question and this particular topic, so that I will know what to do about it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and then you share to your friends. See you another time.